Yo, Doink lifestyle. Don't forget, subscribe to Doink lifestyle. Let's go. Check out my page, the box on 8. The paint still wet, look like it just got sprayed. I got the bubble too, I set it on 6. I got a Suburban too, with them 30s on that.
Say, man, we in the green machine, man. Riding over here and give y'all a little footage. You know what I'm saying? Got the windows down. Alright guys, man, I'm pulling up to my brother crib, man. We're gonna do a little footage. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all been waiting on a couple footages and stuff like that. So we're gonna try to do a little something. That way I can see how that bitch look in person. So I gotta get that little exhaust fixed, man. Yeah, that mother straight though. Y'all walking through the neighborhood, y'all gotta excuse me, man. So I think I gotta get that down carburetor tune, some shit like that. I just got a little more tweaking, guys. Like I said, I might well just put a new damn carburetor on it, man. Be done with it. And go from there. Cause when I'm riding, it's doing like a, but it could be the timing. So what I'm gonna do first, man, I'm gonna put some the headers on there, the spark plug, the wires, and do the timing and go from there. And see how it's gonna look. But like I said, man, we just getting y'all a little footage of it. That bitch straight though. I got a, I don't know why it's probably like that because I got some knuckles on one side, kind of sit like bowed in alignment. That bit look good though. Try to go towards the back way. Do one more, then I'm headed out. Feel that shit too. Yeah, it's straight.
I see you talking about that damn steering though.
Hey, yeah. That damn steering is something serious. I think it all just need lined up. Lined up. Woo. Popping. Yeah, I gotta. I know that bitch ain't gonna do no burnout. I mean, not a burnout, but try to hold the brake down. You heard that noise? I don't know what that was. It did me like that the other day. Try it one more time. Oh yeah, I don't know what that was. I don't think it's gonna burn out like that right now. Yeah, I got another carburetor. Gotta do a little work to it. I'm gonna get you parked. They know, old school. They know how it is. God damn. Gotta do a little. Get right though. That be camming hard too, boy, I swear. That motherfucker camming. Oh yeah, there we go. Hop in then. They might be moving out there.
Yeah, they moving in. They moving in.
Yeah, man, we in this thing, dog. Yes, sir. That bitch sound good, though. Ah. Oh, yeah, I ain't gonna. Y'all, that bitch sound good, though. For real, for real. Gotta do a little more work on that mud, man. It really just need a tune. Ah, cut off on him. He gotta get a tune ASAP. When he get a tune, he'll be straight then. That big tune, he'll be straight. That motherfucker. Man. Telling you, dog, got to, man. Y'all gotta excuse the sun, man. That sun beaming, but it's all good. Y'all know how it is. That's the spot right there. Yeah, that's the spot right here. That bitch still for some. A lot of moving there again. Stay bagging up in that bitch. Get right, bitch. Damn, boy. Boy, that be about an inch, ain't it?
Yeah, I knew it though.
Oh, for real? Gotta get tuned, man. Gotta get right, y'all. That boy a whole inch in that motherfucker. Said that's how you do it, though. You in that bit now. Hey. Oh yeah, popping. How in the hell you get that motherfucker like that in there? Yeah, damn.
You got your clothes can right here.
Hell yeah. Turning that bitch in.
That bit to the right. Right on in there.
That nigga in there. Yeah, I'm gonna take my black ass home. Yes, sir. That bitch sound good though. Nice. I promise you, that mother right. I see a little leak. That must be an AC line.
Nah, that's a damn. It comes from the fucking
I could just water it. Oh, okay.
radiator cap.
Oh yeah, yeah. That probably ain't nothing though.
Nah, that ain't even damn. I'm saying hot water heater down. Yeah. Heater cool.
Yeah, that bitch nice.
Yeah, it comes from.
I gotta get one for mine, shit.
Oh, right there.
Damn. Where? Oh, I see it.
Block that shit.
Right like that. Yeah, man. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna take my head to the house. Go up in there and take me a shower or something. Back in the trap. Yes, sir. Y'all subscribe to the channel, man. If y'all new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Yes, sir.